Hi, this is Chris Chan here, and I'm really happy for you that you registered for the Referral Revolution Intensive, a 2-day program that transforms your business forever. Now, my name is Chris Chan again. I believe you already know me. Right? I just want to give a very quick briefing on what's going to happen in that 2 days. Now, as mentioned before, the key to success, whether you are a new consultant, all right, or if you are an agency leader running a team of people, you want to make sure that you get to this self-sustaining success as fast as possible. Right? This is the key secret that transformed my agency, my business, 6 years ago, from just 2 consultants to now over 70 people. All right? Why did it happen? Very simply, the first thing first, in order for people not to run out of prospect, they need to achieve referral mastery. All right, so as part of the program, in day 2, I'll be covering on strategies, techniques, right, on how to not just develop more skill set, more in-depth skill set in terms of referral mastery. I will be giving you a key strategy on the referral game plan, how to have massive referral within the next 30 days. Okay, we have got people who have gotten as many as 50, 80, 100, even 150 or more referrals within just 30 days. So this is been proven to be really powerful. Now, once you have acquired lots of referral, the next thing is to learn how to call them, prospect them as a professional, not as a salesperson. Right? I've given you the demonstration during workshop. If you call them as a cold call, if it sounds like a business call or sales call, guess what? Your turnover rate is going to be very little. So I'll be giving you the exact script that I use to train the people who are under me. All right, line by line, word for word, I'll be giving demonstration to you step by step on how to use this script to ensure that the highest number of people will be open to meet up with you. So now, once you are good in professional prospecting mastery, all right, you have a lot of people to see. But if you meet them and just simply do a sales concept or just sell them a product, guess what? It's not going to, it might win you a transaction, but it's not going to win you a clientele over long term. What you want is to build a highly profitable professional practice, all right, that has high value clients that can give you lifelong cash flow, lifelong income stream over the next 20, 30, 40 years. Right? You work hard for your business in the next 3 to 5 years. Alright, the business will work hard for you in the next 30, 40 years. That's the whole purpose of being entrepreneur, right? We don't just sell time for money. We exchange time to build asset, clientele, systems, strategies. Alright? Your personal brand equity, your client experience, that allows you to unlock the lifelong value of a client. That's the whole idea of running a professional business or professional practice in this case, right? So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you master your first fact-find consultation. All right, I have a 7-step process that lasts anything from 75 minutes all the way to 90 minutes, right? In this 75 minutes or 90 minutes, trust me, your clients will be so impressed by you if you use the script I have, you use the advisory model that I've created. And not only that, not only will your clients be impressed by you, you will also develop immense passion, immense fulfillment in your work. You will start to see significance beyond finance, significance beyond success when you are out there leading people to make better, powerful financial decisions. You know what? People have no issues of being how do I say that? Now, people have no issues with insurance or with investment product. They just have issues with the way it is being sold. And personally, I believe financial products, they should be professionally prescribed and not sold. Right? So that's the reason why I've developed a 7-step process. And again, it comes with scripts, it comes with step-by-step guide. I'll be walking you through this in the day 2. While day 1, I focus more on your communication mastery as well as your prospecting mastery. The communication style required today is no longer like the past. It's not about heckling. It's not about pursuing, convincing people, chasing after your prospect. It's about your ability to attract people to you, to lead them to want to use your service, to want to use you as their only consultant, to implement their strategies together with you. That is the new way forward. It's about attraction. It's about leading, all right, not pushing and selling. All right, these 2 days is going to be transformational to your business, and I look forward to see you. And if you have friends who you think, are ready to bring their business to the next level, all right, you can either invite them to the workshop, or if you think they are ready to come for this 2 days program, tell them more about it. All right, but keep the price a secret. All right, so look forward to see you. Come prepared. And by the way, please make sure on the day 1 evening you have no appointment, so that there's a lot of homework for you to do, for you to drill in, anchor in all the learning you have the same day. It's about mastery. So you need to devote time to practice the things you learn on day 1. All right, so look forward to see you and have a wonderful day. Congratulations again.